Hope you have a great day. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful, colorful infographic steps in PowerPoint. Keys that I am using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I am going to give it some different color. This one. Go to insert and take this hollow shape and drag hollow shape by holding Shift Alt. Okay. You can increase and decrease its width through this anchor point according to your requirement. Align center and align middle. Again, go to insert and take a rectangle and drag a rectangle, a thin rectangle vertically like this, and let me make it a little bit more thin. Align center and align middle. Control D to duplicate it, align center and align middle by holding Alt and press the right arrow key 2 times. Control D to duplicate it by holding Alt and press the right arrow key 2 times. Likewise, and we will get 12 shape after going to fragment, and now by holding Shift and select these shapes one by one. To deselect these shapes, this one and this one, let me select this one and this one, this one, and this one. Okay, and delete. Select this one and this one by holding Shift and Control G to group it, and select this one and this one, and Control G to group it. By holding Alt and press the left arrow key 1 time, and now I'm going to align it. Let me align it perfect. Select both and go to shape outline, make it no outline, and make it ungroup. Now select these shapes one by one by holding Shift, and I'm going to give it some shadow effects. I'm going with this shadow effect. Transparency will be increased to maybe 70 roundabout will be okay. 102 size, and blur will be 6. And let me change these steps color one by one by through the eyedropper. I'm going to pick this color from this color palette, and you can give these color according to your desired, according to your requirement, and your company color, your logo color. You can also give it these colors, and let me give it these color one by one through this eyedropper. Okay, and this is the last one. Yes. Now select all and put it at the center of the slide. Okay, let me take an oval shape this one, yes, and by holding Shift Alt and drag, and all shapes, select one of the previous shapes, Control Shift C and Control Shift V to transfer the effects, and I am going to give it white color and place it here. Okay, Control D to duplicate it. Let me select and Control D to duplicate it, and I need a outline shape only. Let me make it a little bit smaller, and I am going to go outline color to a dark gray and fill, no fill, and put it here over the first all shape, and let me align it through the arrow keys. I am going to zoom it and align it perfectly. Yes. Now select both, Control G to group it and Control D to duplicate it, and place it here over the second shape. I will put these steps number over these all shapes, and let me go to take the text box and write O1 and put it here over the first all shape, and Control D to duplicate it, and this is the second one too. Now select all, Control D to duplicate it and put over these shapes one by one. Control D to duplicate it. Okay. Control D to duplicate it and put it here. Control D to duplicate it and put on the inverse side of this shape. Yes. You can also put icons over these all shapes, and take another arrow up all shape in the inner side, and put these number in the inner side of these shapes, and yes, also this is the last one, and I'm going to now change these number 3, 4. Okay, let me change these numbers one by one. Let me change these numbers one by one. 8, and it's going 9. Oh, sorry, these are all 12 shapes. Yes, it is 10, 11, and this is going 12, and this is shape number 10. Yes, and shape number 9. Now it's okay. This is shape number 8. Yes, and let me bring some text that I have typed earlier to save the time. Control C, and bring it to the slide by Control V. Let me put it here at the side, and I'm going to bring this text and make its color to white. Okay, one by one I'm going to put these text one by one. Control D to duplicate it and put it here. Control D to duplicate it and put it here. Control D to duplicate it and put it here. Okay. I'm going to change the headline colorful infographic. And at the end, colorful infographic steps. Let me increase its size to, I think 40 will be okay. And I'm going to give it some shadow effect to the text. Go to text option and give this shadow effect, and the color will be white. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and please, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get every time a new design. Thank you.